How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I just got back from my first day of working. I just started working, so you guys will eventually be able to see me put in probably $100 a week, depending on how much I can save up and how much I can make and how much I can work. But we're back with another portfolio review. I said I'd be doing this every single trading day when the markets are open. So this is the second day up to row to 50k. As you see right now, I am down quite a bit. Right now I'm at $22,850.43, and today I was down 7.92%, which is $2,009.35, and after hours I'm down 2.14%, which is $498.90, and in the past week down 11.58%, which is $2,992.07. And in the past month, I'm down 17%, which is $4,842.56. In 3 months, I'm up 70%, which is $9,469. And in the past year, I'm still up 146%, which is $13,561.60. And like I said, so far from investing in Robinhood, I've only put in around $10,500. So that's why you're seeing a big return so far. But I've been working all day today. I haven't really been paying attention to the market, and the market has been down a lot today. Let's actually look at some of my holdings. We're gonna go over this really quick because I have a lot of other things I want to talk about. First one we have here is Activision, down 2.52%, which is $1.55. And you can see here my information, how many shares I have. 15. I was down $23.70 today, but in total I am up $171.27. My average cost is $48.52. So I'm not really planning on buying anything from Activision right now because my average cost is more than $11 from what it is. It needs to go down to more than $11 for me to even consider buying Activision again. Next one we have here, Square stock. Square is at $72.50. Today it is down 4.23%, down $3.23. You can see here that I have 11 shares and my average cost is $70.62. Excuse me. I would want this to go down all the way down to mid 60s, 65, before I start putting more money into this. Square stock is one of my super long-term holds. As you see, I'm down $42, down 5% today. But my total return is, I'm still in the positive at 2.67%, which is $20.71. Next one, Facebook. Facebook down 2.2%. which is down $4.08. I have 6 shares. My average cost is at $188. This is actually one of the stocks that I do have that my average cost is below what it is. I mean, above what the price is right now. So I'm still holding off on buying because I don't really have that much money in my portfolio. But as you see from today's return, I am down 3%, $33.30. But my total return, I am down 4.68%, which is down $52.94. Once I start getting paid, I'll start putting money into Facebook if it continues to go down, because Facebook's been getting hammered. Next one, Nvidia. It's at $264.38, down 2.65%, which is $7.25 in the red. I have 20 shares. My average cost is at $193. This would have to hit below $230 for me to buy on more shares, for me to be interested in buying more shares, because my average cost is way below what the price is right now. Today's return, as you see, I'm down 3.26%, which is $178.20 in the red. My total return, I'm up 36.56%, which is up $1,415.55. Next one, Tesla, just hit below $700, which is $690.75, down 2.91%, down $21. As you see, I have 39 shares, my equity at $26,939.25. My average cost is $281, way below what the price is right now. For me to buy more shares, we would have to go to low 600s, and if it continues to drop more, then I'll buy more. This is my super long hold, 5-10 years. I will hold this. As you see, I was down 4.66% today, which is down $1,317.81, but total return I'm up 145.72%, which is $15,975.64. Next one, Uber, $31.30 right now, down 1.65%, which is 53 cents in the red. I have 39 shares. My average cost is at $35.95. I'm down 2.83%, which is in the red, $35.49. Total return down 12.92% at 181.16. For me to start buying this one, I would actually like it to go back down to its 52-week lows, below $30. If it can hit mid-20s, I would love that. I'll buy more. Once I start getting paid for my job, I'll buy some Uber. I would like to get this to 10%. If I can keep adding money consistently, that'll be good. Next one, Roku. It's at $100, down 4.15%, which is $4.42. I have 16 shares. My average cost is pretty high, $125.06. As you see, my today's return is at down 5.53%, which is $94.24 in the red. My total return down 19.6%, down $382.11. Let's actually look at this. I would actually like it to hit, well, actually, this might actually be a good time to buy. But if the markets keep going down, it might hit 90 in the 90s range. It has totally potential to hit 90s. And if it keeps going down, it might even hit 70s, depending on how hard this virus, this coronavirus, what people are saying, because they don't want to be demonetized, even though I'm not even getting paid. This virus, how hard it hits the markets and the economy, if it gets us to recession levels. Next one, we're on to my cannabis holdings. Right here I have IPR, Innovative Industrial Properties, down 2.5%, which is at $93.75. I am down on this position. I have 20 shares, average cost $103.68. I actually like IPR a lot because it has a dividend. It's one of the few, I think one of the only ones that is a cannabis stock that has a dividend, and you can see the numbers are actually pretty good for it being a cannabis company. Basically a REIT, what it is. Let's look at the numbers. Today's return, I am down $48, which is 2.5% in the red. But my total return, I was down, getting close to down 10% at $198.56. Next one, ACB, Aurora Campus. My largest holding is down a lot. It is down 119. The other day it was at 138, and the other day it was at 150. It just keeps going down. Down 10.69%, down 14 cents. Today, my position, I have 4,546 shares. My average cost is $1.88. I was down 9.16%, which is down $545.52. My total return, I'm down 36.68%, which is down $3,134.01. And there's actually been pretty good news with Aurora Cannabis. Aurora Cannabis, as you all know, Mexico is planning to legalize cannabis for recreational use. Mexican Senate Commission's approved marijuana bill legalizing recreational use in the country. One step closer to launching the world's largest adult use program by population. Mexico has about 130 million people compared to Canada, which is at 37 million. That's a huge number. 130 million people, that's a big thing. Huge win for the cannabis industry, but it still has a lot of things to do. It still has to pass through a few areas, but still very big step forward. So once this gets legalized, it will be a huge, significant revenue growth coming soon to the cannabis industry. This is especially great for Aurora Cannabis. Aurora Cannabis acquired Farmacias Magistrales. I don't know if I said that correctly. Mexico's first federally licensed importer of raw materials containing THC. Through this deal, Aurora acquired the company's licensed facilities and permission to import, manufacture, and store and distribute cannabis. This means that Aurora is likely to have first movers advantage once it is fully legalized in Mexico. So in the long run, even though it's really been hard for Aurora Cannabis, if it can just survive this year, and once it turns it around, it's going to be a big turnaround, because if they could survive, they have a lot of great things going forward for them in the future. Next one we have here is Canopy Growth. Canopy Growth down 9.05%, down $1.52. I have 121 shares. My average cost is at $23.11. Down, as you see, today's return down $189.97, down 9.35%. Total return down 34.10% at $953.41. As you see, my portfolio has been getting hit pretty hard in the short term. I've been buying a lot. I want to buy more. I only have a little bit of cash left. But this has been such a crazy run. Just in the past few trading days, 15 trading days, 3 weeks, the Dow has been down 3,700 points, down 11% in the past month. Nasdaq down 10% in the past month. Huge tech companies, as you all know, huge tech companies, Facebook down, huge, down 14.7% in the past month, basically. Or as you can see, it's going down even more, 15.48% in the past month. Let's look at the next huge one in the list, Microsoft. Microsoft in the past month down 12.84%. Look, another huge tech giant, Apple. Let's look at Apple. Apple getting wrecked. Apple, look at it, down 11.57%. Just getting hit hard. Let's look at Google. Google down in the past month 11.36%. Let's look at one more. Let's look at Amazon. I think Amazon's getting hit that hard. Amazon in the past month 8.74%. Still down a lot. Let's look at the banking sector. JP Morgan. JP Morgan in the past month down 21%. 21%. Look at this. Look at some more. Wells Fargo. Past month down 22.86%. I think year to date it is down about 32% in the past. So far, year to date. Let's look at Bank of America. I actually am with Bank of America. Bank of America in the past month, it is down 25.43% year to date, about 26%. And of course, in the travel industry getting hit even harder, as you all know, Carnival. Let's see if I can actually spell that right. Carnival. CCL getting hit really hard in the past month, down 39% year to date, well over 45%, way over 45%. Let's look at the Royal, God, if I can spell it correctly, Royal Caribbean in the past month, down 46.6%. This month, year to date, well over 50%. And Norwegian Cruise Lines. I know a lot of people are looking at these companies because of financial education. He's been a huge investor in Carnival Corp. He's put a lot of money down on that, and he's probably down a lot in his position. But Norwegian Cruise Line down well over 50% year to date as well. Let's look at another one, American Airlines. Oh, spell it right. American Airlines in the past month 44.75%. Like, wow, like the only position I know that's up a lot in the past month for me is Tesla up down 16%, but in the past 3 months, as you can see, it's up a lot. And this is why my portfolio is still up alive. If Tesla starts going down hard, then my portfolio is going to start going down even harder. And it's just crazy. It's just crazy what's going on. The coronavirus is going hard. And as we know right now, this correction that's been going on, the Dow going down 3,700 points, it's basically priced in weak quarters. Like I said, unless it's like super bad, these quarters, I don't think that the market will continue to go down more than it has. But if it is really bad, then we might get into a total recession. It might last all this year and maybe even all the beginning of all next year as well. 2021 might be affected a lot by this coronavirus. As we all know, coronavirus is going hard. So far, the impact we've seen, there's about well over 100,000 cases, with about more than 3,400 deaths. The good thing is that there's been a bunch of recoveries, for about more than 55,000 recovered, but it's still crazy because the acceleration is growing. And with this acceleration growing and the death toll going up more and more, many companies are asking employees to start working from home. They just don't want them to come into work anymore, which this could have an impact on if many other companies start doing this. If many companies start telling workers to not come to work anymore until this blows over, or hopefully if once the warm weather comes in, it's not as bad. Hopefully that happens, but if it doesn't, then we can really hit recession mode. This can probably last the rest of this year and next year, at least until the foreseeable future. So like I said, I won't be surprised if it keeps dropping more and more and more. That's why I'm working really hard now. I want to get paid so I can start buying some stuff. I really want to buy some stuff. As you can see, look, all you see is just red. All you see is red. There's some greens actually, wow, but all the red makes you want to buy stuff. And right now it's bad, but once this is over, the bounce back will be huge. And I can't wait for that, and I can't wait for me to get money so I can start buying some stuff. So that's going to be the end of today's little update. I'll catch you guys on Monday. I'll review my portfolio again, see how the weekend treats us. But other than that, this is the end of the video. Bye.